Novel genetic technologies also introduce new ethical issues along with them. A perfect example of this is the advent of what's known as gene therapy. Meet Hannah, that you can see over on the right, a little girl that had a rare form of inherited blindness that was the result of a specific genetic change. In specific instances, scientists can now deliver a good allele or a good version of the gene directly to cells. In this case, in Hannah's retina. Overnight, her blindness was cured. Obviously, gene therapy has the power to do incredible good, as it did for Hannah, but brings up other questions about what genetic traits scientists and medical doctors can and should alter. These are questions like, is it morally acceptable to edit the genes of developing embryos to prevent an incurable disease or fatal disease? Possibly like Huntington's that we talked about previously? What about reducing the risk of diseases like cancer that might develop later in life? Or preventing a non-fatal condition that the child would inherit, something like congenital blindness in the last slide? What about altering specific capabilities, such as intelligence or athletic ability? Or selecting specific attributes of your child, such as height or eye color? You can see the results here of a recent poll of 1,000 individuals asking these same questions. You can see that generally, people are more accepting of preventing incurable or fatal diseases that the child might inherit, or reducing the risk of certain diseases that they might develop later in life, such as cancer. But there's a noticeable shift down at the bottom of our poll when talking about altering specific capabilities of an embryo, such as intelligence or athletic talent, or even altering physical characteristics, such as eye color or height.